Yo YouTube, what is going on? Many of you asked me to create this video, so reluctantly I am, but basically today I'm going to be showing you how to get free food on Uber Eats, free food orders on Uber Eats. Pretty easy guys. This is a promo code that you can simply redeem within the Uber Eats app, and it's going to allow you to get your next 3 food orders for free. Yeah, so it takes a few minutes. Let me show you how to do it. So just make sure you follow these instructions. You can see you've got to use your mobile phone and go to the internet and type this website exactly how I'm going to type it here: www.wavycoupons.com. So Wavy Coupons, you need to find this website. So when you reach this page, because there is tons of pages, you've got to go to the search bar and just type in Uber, and basically you've got to look for the Uber Eats page. You can see it down here: Uber Eats free credit and food coupons. So click on that page. Lots of coupons remaining. It's been highly rated as well. So you can see you've got a couple of different options to select. I'm going to go for the free food one, which is basically going to remove the cost of your next 3 food orders. So it basically gives you a credit for 3 orders. So you just click on show coupon, and you can see it gives us sort of the first part of the code, but we need to unlock the full code. Obviously, Uber Eats free orders is pretty desirable, so this just prevents someone from creating a robot to take all of the codes. So you've got to tap unlock code, and you're going to see this pop up, and this takes a few seconds, and then you're going to see a new screen appear, and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your code. Completely free, and it only takes a few minutes. I've done this so many times. I've already got as much food as I can eat, and I can eat a lot, trust me. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video guys. Go ahead, give this a go. Just take your time and follow the instructions, and you're going to be able to get your next 3 food orders for free using a promo code. Pretty easy. So hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.